Next up, adding in a phone is straightforward. So as of right now, you can see there is no phone that's currently connected. Very straightforward to be able to connect a phone though. All you're going to do on your phone, you're going to hit yes, go to your Bluetooth settings. We're looking for uConnect. Pin numbers match up. Do we want to allow contacts and favorites to sync up? I'm going to say don't allow. Boom. We are connected. And then you've also got the option of using CarPlay if you want to. So we're going to hit use CarPlay. Okay. Okay. And we should be, there we go, connected. Hop into CarPlay. There we go, look at that. So you've got your phone that's there. You can hop in there if you want to, and that's going to be your map, search, or you've got your media along the side. We can swipe a look at this. Beautiful. Jeep, amazing job. But like I said, you've got factory navigation, but you could also use Apple Maps if you want to. Well, I wonder. Perfect, so it's focusing on me. Ooh, and you've got no pinch to zoom, but you can at least drag, can you drag? Yeah, you can drag with your finger, and then you can go plus or minus this way instead. Change your heading if you want to, or you can also change out different options. You can search, you can look at different destinations. You can jump back into the screen here to go to another app if you want to go to Maps. Same idea, Google Maps. Ooh, nice touch, but no pinch to zoom. Same idea for zoom, we just go out to the side there. But it's straightforward. You can search for addresses. Along the top there, you can also look at route options. So if you wanted to avoid highways, toll roads, and ferries, you could easily do that. Look at all of your different traffic options. Like I said, search for addresses. The one nice thing, so along the side, you've got a series of other options there. Your current time, your battery level on your phone, what's going on with your map application. So if you go into Waze, so it's whatever map application was open last, whatever audio application was open last, and whatever random application was open last. So that's your phone, WhatsApp, Zoom, audiobooks, whatever the case may be. So you've got different options that are available. So very straightforward. You can push there. So again, in order to launch uConnect phone or jump into the device manager. So jumping into device manager, you could, if you want to disconnect CarPlay, you could just go back to your phone. So let's end our CarPlay session. So you've connected to the phone again. You can have two phones active, do not disturb mode, or you go into your settings to make it a favorite device if you've got multiple phones connected. You can enable Bluetooth audio, charge only. So if you only want to charge your phone, so if you're connected over Bluetooth, it won't actually use your phone for audio or for your phone, which is amazing. You can disconnect or delete. I'm going to leave it connected to show you what happens if you've got multiple phones connected. But that's how you set up an iPhone inside of the uConnect 5 screen in the Wrangler. Okay, next up, setting up an Android device is the exact same process. So we're just in the device manager right now. If you were on the home screen, you can get to it from a few different ways. Your phone, obviously, if you didn't have a phone connected, you can go that route. You can go all settings to get into your device manager instead. And then all you're going to do, add device, and on your phone, you're just going to scan. Let's go. Guess it helps if you hit search. Oh, there we go. uConnect. Pins match up. Do we want to use Android Auto? Yes, let's do that. I'm going to hit no for messages and contacts, but that's a matter of preference. But as you can see there, so it's connecting now. Continue, let's use it. Boom. 3, 2, 1, and we are fully connected, and it's that simple to be able to do it. But I mean, so nice. You've got your settings there, route options, about, your Google Maps, you've got your assistant there as well. So if you wanted to search for addresses that way. One thing I didn't point out on the iPhone side, you can press and hold the voice command prompt if you want to activate either your Google or Siri assistant. Push this button along the side there to get to like a little split screen. Push it again in order to get to this other split screen instead. So you can jump into your maps, jump into your phone, weather, and things like that. Okay, on your phone, if you were to search for Android Auto, you would have the flexibility of being able to customize a few things as well. So you can see what car you're currently connected to. You can customize the launcher. But unlike in the iPhone side of things, where things were a little bit like what happens is here. So we drop thing. It doesn't automatically update the same way it does on the iPhone side of things. You actually have to get out of Android Auto and relaunch for any changes here to come into effect. But I mean, obviously, big thing here is that this is strictly Google Maps. I do have Waze installed in this phone. It's just not available as an app here as of yet. But I mean, straightforward. We can push this along the side in order to get back into Android Auto, launch into the phone, move into Device Manager. And then this is the big one. So if you've got multiple phones connected, let's say if you wanted to use one phone in order to be able to listen to in order to use it as a phone, but you wanted the other one for audio, you can do that. So you can essentially do like a mix and match for if you wanted one for phone, one for audio, etc. Obviously, the big one is that you couldn't have both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay available at the same time. It's strictly going to be one or the other. But I love that we can kind of do like a mix and match. You can have nothing available for the phone if you want. So let's say if you just didn't want your phone connected whatsoever and you strictly wanted audio on one or on both, you would have that flexibility, which is kind of cool. So I know quite a little bit, but that's how you set up Android and iPhone devices inside of the Wrangler. And then in order to delete devices, all you're going to do is move back. You're going to go to the bottom. You can delete. Yes. Same idea. Bottom, delete. Yes. 3, 2, 1. You're fully deleted and no more phones are connected to the vehicle. So it's that simple to be able to do it.